First step is to disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. Use a 5/16 or 8mm socket or wrench. Next is to remove the air duct connecting the air filter housing to the throttle body by loosening the hose clamps with a flathead screwdriver. Now take the fan belt off the old alternator by detensioning the tension pulley. Use a 15mm socket and a breaker bar. Slip the fan belt off the alternator when the belt is loose. You don't have to completely remove the belt. Disconnect the wires from the old alternator. Use a 10mm socket for the battery wire post. And a flathead screwdriver to help remove the connector like so. Now remove the two bolts that mount the old alternator in place. The old alternator is now free to lift out. Mine required some persuasion. After cleaning the alternator mount, you can start to install the new alternator. Place the alternator in the mount and reinstall the two mounting bolts. Now reattach the battery cable to the post on the alternator, then plug in the connector. Place the fan belt back in place by loosening the tensioner pulley and slipping it in place. Replace the air duct and tighten the hose clamps. Reattach the cable to the negative battery terminal. Finished. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.